So what you can also do inside of GIMP is you can make custom keyboard shortcut keys. So over here, if I were to go around over here onto edit and onto keyboard shortcuts, then you can see that you have a range of shortcut keys right here. Like let's say for example, you have different shortcut keys assigned over here, but some of them are disabled. For example, over here, you can see that copy image location is disabled and create template is disabled right here. And similarly, save a copy is disabled. Let's say what I want to do is I want to assign a shortcut key for this. So I'm going to go around and press Control Alt, Shift and S right here. And what happens is that if I were to go around and press Controls Alt, Shift and Yes, then that is assigned as a shortcut key for this. So if I were to go around and click on Save right here, now if I were to press Control Alt, Shift and S, then you get the Save As option right here. That is because I assign a shortcut key accordingly. If I were to go around onto keyboard shortcut right here, then there's different shortcut keys that you can assign, as you can see. Like for example, there's enable color management and there's configure grid right here. So let me just go around and press Control Shift Z right here and press save. And once I do that, Control Shift Z is a shortcut key for configure image grid, as you can see, just like that. And that is how you can make custom keyboard shortcuts and assign it to shortcuts that hasn't been assigned yet right here, for tasks that has not been assigned yet, as you can see, just like this. So you can go around and save the keyboard shortcuts on exit as well. So this is what you have. So let's say for example, if I were to go around and type in, let's say for example, something like this and so forth, then you have that particular shortcut key assigned over here, just like this. You can also search for certain things, like let's say for example, you can go around and search for brush, and even you can see that brush angle has shortcut keys that can be assigned right here. For example, there's rotate left and so forth. So I'm just going to go around and say shift and left right here, just like this. And then once you go around and save it over here, if I were to go around, then you can go around and rotate it and utilize the shortcut key accordingly, according to how you want. So that is how you can make custom keyboard shortcuts inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.